In this episode of Prep School, I'm going to show you what a day of healthy eating for blood pressure looks like. Let's get started. This sample day is just one day out of our 7-day meal plan for healthy blood pressure. We are gonna get started by making the day's tasty dinner, which is our chicken and hummus bowls. First up, we're gonna make our garlic hummus recipe. So we're gonna start with our chickpeas, and something you may have not seen before is we're gonna reserve some of the liquid from the can of chickpeas here. Into my measuring cup here, I need 1/4 cup. This is also called aquafaba. So I am using no salt added chickpeas, which is great if you have high blood pressure. Low sodium or regular works, and here's the trick. We're gonna rinse off these chickpeas to get rid of that extra little bit of sodium. So we have our rinsed chickpeas here. Okay, we're also gonna go ahead and add in this liquid from the can of chickpeas. This is kind of the secret ingredient for extra creamy hummus. And then we have our 1/4 cup of olive oil, our fresh lemon juice, our flavor boosters here. So 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and then 1/2 teaspoon each of salt and chili powder. And then last but not least, our creamy tahini. And now comes time to blend it up. Easy, easy. And now what we can do is we can portion it out into 2 separate containers. One we will set aside and use this hummus to build our chicken hummus bowls, and some we'll set aside in a meal prep container so we can have it for later this week. What even is high blood pressure? Well, first of all, high blood pressure affects nearly half of all US adults. A lot of the times people don't know they have high blood pressure until they start feeling some symptoms or have like a cardiac event, which is no fun. That's why it's really important to get your blood pressure checked annually at the doctor's. It's just really important to be aware of where your blood pressure stands. Now, while there are certain things you can't control about your blood pressure, like your genetic predisposition for having high blood pressure, you can control some other things. Diet and exercise being some of the big ones. That's where this meal plan and these delicious recipes come in handy. They really make it easy and delicious to eat for better blood pressure. We have our meal prepped hummus done. I will put this to the side into the fridge, and we're gonna move on to our next step, which is prepping the chicken. I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs here. We cut them into about 1-inch cubes. So we're still using chicken thighs, which have a little bit of fat on there, but we took off the skin, which is where the bulk of the saturated fat comes from. And saturated fat is a type of fat that can harm our hearts when we eat too much. So we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And then we have our spices. Adding tons of flavorful herbs and spices to your food makes you not even miss the extra salt. Here we have a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and then just a pinch of salt. We're gonna add this to our chicken here and give it a good stir. And the best part about this is that the chicken cooks really, really quickly. I have my oven set to broil on high, and we just line this with some tin foil to help me clean up easier. You can easily double or triple just the chicken portion. There are really lots of easy ways that you can get ahead on prep for the week while you're prepping just a single recipe. Into the oven it goes, and in a short 5 to 7 minutes, this will be ready. Alrighty, so our chicken is cooked and a little crispy, which is exactly how I like it. We are gonna make like a little lemony-garlic dressing of sorts. We have 2 cloves of minced garlic here, so onto my cutting board it goes. On top of our garlic here, I'm gonna add 1/8 teaspoon of salt. With your knife, you can also do this with a fork if you don't feel comfortable using a knife. Smash this into a paste. It takes a little while, but eventually you'll see it come together. Now you can see kind of this paste-like consistency that we get. Into our bowl it goes. In the same bowl, 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, and then some more fresh lemon juice. A little stir to help disperse that mashed garlic. And now in goes our chicken. So it's cooled down a little bit. Cleanup is done, and I love cutting down on dishes. So we're just gonna give this a quick little toss, and we can assemble our bowls. Start with a nice little bed of our garlic hummus here. We will add this garlicky, herby, flavorful spiced chicken. And that lemony-garlic sauce on the top really makes all the difference. And now to add some veggies to this dish. I'm gonna add some cherry tomatoes. So some cucumbers up next. I like the crunch that these veggies deliver too. We have some sliced red onion here, some nice color and a nice little kick of flavor. Last but not least, some fresh parsley. I think topping any recipe with some fresh herbs helps add so much more delicious flavor. And we have our chicken hummus bowl with veggies on top. Cheers. That chicken is so good. It was so easy to make and it's so full of flavor, and that garlic hummus is delicious. So this delicious dinner is just one part of a full 7-day meal plan for healthy blood pressure. You can get this recipe plus so many others on eatingwell.com. To start the day off on an energizing note, we have our old-fashioned oatmeal topped with raspberries and chopped walnuts for a little crunch. This brings us to our morning snack, which is 1 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, which is higher in protein than regular yogurt. Top that yogurt with a 1/4 cup of blackberries. Next up is lunch. We have our vegan superfood bowls, and this lunch recipe can be meal prepped ahead of time. That satisfying bowl will carry you to your afternoon snack. Unsalted almonds to help cut down on sodium, and 2 cups of cubed cantaloupe. And last but not least, we have our dinner, the delicious chicken hummus bowls that we just prepped. You can get this recipe plus so many others on eatingwell.com. Thanks so much for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time on Prep School.